Welcome back to the Two Wheel Traveler channel. Let's get into it. Roll that intro. First things first, I want to say I hope everybody had a good holiday, a happy 4th. Secondly, if you like what you're seeing, please do me a favor. Like, subscribe, leave a comment, share. Let anybody you know check it out. I'm having fun. Hopefully you guys are enjoying it. Another quick thing. So, Shade Tree Surgeon, dude on my shirt. Great motorcycle content if you want to check it out. Just something cool. Go check it out. Check out his channel. I think you really enjoy it. Next. Goofy stuff. All right. Well, let's get into this video, and I'll see you on the other end of it. Happy 4th of July, and we're here with some breaking weather. I was gonna get outside and show you guys, but I don't feel like getting, soaked. So we'll show you through the front of the car here. It's raining buckets. We've got some nice waves going on up here. Shit's gonna get real crazy if if people climb down on those rocks, get sucked in, all that good stuff. Here you'll be able to see again. There you go. You're welcome. But yeah. So weather report, short and short. If you go outside, you're gonna get soaked. Enjoy.
All you know is all a lie, all caught up in paradise, running away from everything real, everything that hurts to feel. All you know is all that you've put up to keep you from the truth, a wall to keep out all the hurt, only to keep out all it's worth. All along you thought that you were better off if all you knew was gold. All along you've been a fool, it's getting old.
please like, share, subscribe, leave a comment. Anything you can do for me will help. Next is going to be my thoughts. And my thoughts for this week are pretty simple, really. When you stop and you really think about it, you only get one shot at this life. There's no rewind. There's no turning back time. There's none of that. So you should live your life and do what makes you happy. Some people, that's riding a motorcycle. Other people, it's jumping out of airplanes. Other people, it's going for drives. Other people, it's gardening. Who knows? But life's short. Do something that makes you happy. That's the most important thing in life. So, that being said, I hope you guys have a great week. Do something you enjoy, and I'll see you right back here next Thursday. Boom! Nantucket shoes.